So today we have these Cambridge Casual Adirondack chairs. They're made out of teak. Look how beautiful this is. So teak is naturally weather resistant, insect resistant, extremely strong, really good for outdoor furniture. Not only is it made out of teak, but it has this outdoor material and has quick drying foam. So if you look on the bottom here, see this netting is outdoor netting, but it has a foam in there. So it's extremely comfortable and dries real quick because it's outside. It also has a couple extra features here we'll go over at the end, but you have a cell phone holder, you have a cup holder, and it has a wine glass holder. So this is how it comes, okay? We're gonna put one together in this video. It's actually really simple to put together. You only need 2 tools. We're also gonna put together one of their teak tables. This thing's gonna be awesome as well. I like the honey brown color. If you don't stain it or if you don't seal it, it will patina after a while. Basically get like a gray color, but you can keep this honey brown beautiful color if you use some teak oil, which we'll apply at the end, because we really like this. We really like these chairs. We want them to look like this forever. All right, so we unboxed it. You can see there's literally only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces here. It's extremely easy to put together. All right, so this is the hardware it comes with. It comes with a bunch of these. It's called the H-bolt. What's this called? The I-bolt. All right, so just 2, and you use a Phillips head to put them in. All right, so first step here, we have the base here. This is like the seat right where you sit, and this is the left arm, okay? So these 2 holes right here have to line up with these 2, and we're gonna use the 2 of the H-bolts, and we're gonna put these in. So 1 there and 1 there. We're gonna run these in just a little bit. We're not gonna make these super tight yet. We're now gonna take the back, and we have a hole here and a hole here. We need to line these up. We have one on each side. Just gonna put it in, use another H-bolt, and we run it in. Again, only go in a few threads, okay? We're gonna keep this pretty loose. All right, the next step is, since we're all working on this one side, is we have another H-bolt. We're gonna put a bolt right here. Again, just a few threads. We're gonna keep it loose. Then we can stand it up, and it's done. How's it look?
Looks great. If you want to fall out of it.
I think we're missing a piece.
We are.
Missing this piece. So now we have the other arm. We have, this is a support that goes across. You can see there's a dowel and there's a part for a screw. So you can see right there, put it in like that. Another 8 screw, right? We're not too close, right? And it's just loosen, just a few threads again, keep it loose. Now I'll take the other side with the dowel and the hole here. We're lining up with the other side, okay? So that'll just go, put the dowel in, and then line these holes up. 2 more H screws. H screw 2, there, and there. Now still went on inside, there's actually 2 screws right here, so we have 2 I screws now. We're just gonna put them through here, into the base. Very simple installation. And then we got our last H bolt to put in with this hole right down here. All right, now that it's all together, now we're actually gonna go through and just tighten everything up. I'm gonna turn my impact down. I don't wanna overdrive any of these. So you can use a mallet, and we're basically just gonna put these little plugs in. I made sure I did go through and torque everything one more time just to make sure I don't forget anything, because it'd be really annoying if something was loose. You need to pull these out. You know, you might damage the chair a little bit. You know, they give you 1 extra screw of each one, so you don't have to call them up and like, I'm missing a screw, I dropped one. I like that. These chairs come with 3 separate options. So you can have a wine glass holder, you have a cup holder, and you also have this phone holder. And there's a hole under here. I
didn't get it.
I'm just gonna screw that in, like so. You know, if you don't want this, you can always take it off. And then on this side, we have the option of wine glass or the can holder or cup holder. We don't really drink a lot of wine anymore.
But we do use a lot of Yetis.
We do use a lot of Yetis. So I think this is the one we're gonna use. This, and screw this in the bottom. All right, now let's put the table together. This is the teak table. Cut the box, not yourself. Ah, look at that. That's exactly how the chairs are packaged. Very well. Always cut towards yourself.
Ooh, that's really pretty.
That's pretty. All right, looks like you got to take these off first. These are on there. I think it's so that when it's in shipment, it doesn't scratch everything. This seems to be very simple to put together. So we take each one of our legs and we put it in here like this. We have 3 of our legs on. You only want to put 3 legs on a time, and you want to put on a washer and then a lock washer. This is what a lock washer looks like. So you put that on first, and then your lock washer, and then your nut. And it comes with a little wrench. Look at that. this in. And if you look on the bottom here, it's got these little slots. This has to line up with. So take our screws. It's got 4 screws, but of course we're only gonna put 3 in for now. And we're gonna run these screws in. And I'm not gonna use the drill to start them because I wanna make sure they're lined up first. All right, so we got these 3 screws in. Now we're gonna put this last leg on. We're on the last leg.
Last leg.
And then we're gonna put our last screw in here.
Yeah, tight.
We'll have to edit that comment out. And it's nice that it has lock washers because the lock washers, they actually lock it in. So this won't loosen up over time. It shouldn't.
Wow, that is a beautiful table.
And it's a bench too. I could sit on it. Seems strong too.
Wow. I don't know if you're supposed to stand on it.
I don't think it's not a stool.
It's a side table,
It's a side table.
not a side stool.
But it feels real stable. Since it's real sunny, we can't do it today. We have to wait till the sun is not so bright. But we got this teak oil. You can pick this up from Home Depot, Lowe's. I'll put a link to this down below. But basically just wipe this on, leave it there for 15, 20 minutes, come back, wipe it off, and then reapply again. Keep this nice color. If you don't care about that, you obviously don't have to put the protection on it. All right. So Cambridge Casual, the company that actually makes these, has tons of other teak furniture. They have tables, giant tables. So we're thinking about getting a big table here. And they got all kinds of stuff. So I'd really suggest you check them out. I'll put a link to them down below. If I get a coupon code, I'll also put that down below in the description or in the first comment. If you have any questions about the installation, put a comment down below. Let me know and I'll try to help you out. If you pick one of these up and you really enjoy them, like we do, like we like these, right?
We love them.
We love these chairs. I think they're beautiful. Also, leave me a comment down below. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I'm Teak Adirondack Chairs out.